Hey guys, welcome back to Rule16. I am your host Javon, and today we're back with a brand new benchmark. Today we're testing out Scorn for the PC. Today we're running this on my Intel Core i7-4790 with the AMD RX 570 4GB VRAM graphics card. We're running with 16GB of DDR3 RAM in dual channel memory, and once again, the specs for this game are way more than they actually need. We're running at 1080p on the high preset, and it seems to be running quite well so far for me. Anyway, let's get into it. Damn it, Rooster, really, right now? And we're gonna see what happens, because it's Scorn. We seem to be having an audio issue for some reason. I'm trying, but I feel like that's just the game at this point. That seems like a glitch of the game. I can't seem to get around that audio issue whatsoever. It just comes, man. It just hits you. Also, what is this? What am I supposed to do here? The game just started. Wait, you know what? Maybe not that door then. Maybe through here. Yeah, because I had audio a second ago, and then afterwards it stopped. But it is running over 100 FPS. I assume that it would run well though, because considering this is a game about a bunch of us being in a bunch of corridors and stuff. Unfortunately, because of the audio issues, you really hear these chickens in the background, which is not great. But because of that, it runs. Now this is the first time I'm launching the game, so it does do this type of stuff to me. But for the most part, it seems to be holding over 60 FPS. I can't really complain. The GPU is pegged at over 60 as well. It's pegged at 100% most of the time, but it does dip below. Like right now, because of the wide area, it seems to be a CPU bottle. It turned into a CPU bottleneck all of a sudden. Optimization isn't the best, is what I'm trying to say. But nonetheless, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, and stick around for more epic content. I'm pretty sure I'm not supposed to go into those doors yet. So we just walk around and see what happens. Man, this place is huge. I'm really getting alien vibes here. I don't know. The audio is definitely something. The second you pause, it's like, yeah, how dare you paused? You paused. No more audio for you. So the game is it's really intricate, man. Look at the pebbles, man. The ground, it looks nice. Okay, so we definitely can't just go through those doors. But we do have volume, as you can see, we do have volume. Just the music, for some reason, it just ain't there. Nonetheless, we are getting over 60 at all times. Now, I wanted to do FSR, but I mean, we're killing it here. I mean, the highest preset is the highest it can go. We'll do quality just to see, but it seems to be running quite well without it, to be honest. Motion blur. Yeah, and it performs even better now. It seems to be running quite well. I can't complain. It's using 3.7 gigabytes of VRAM, so it seems to be using up all the VRAM. It probably will need a bit more. The RAM is going up now, over 7 gigs of RAM, so you'll probably need at least 8. But for the most part, I would like to say the beginning area at least because, you know, whoa, what the heck are these things? These areas do fool you sometimes, but the beginning area so far seems to be running really well without any issue. And that's just swell, ain't it? I think it is. But anyway, once again, I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, and stick around for more epic content. I'm just going to mute myself now, so enjoy the gameplay, and I'll see you guys next time. Or whatever. I mean, it runs. There's not much for me to do here. The game runs fine. I would have... So why won't it let me get to the other... Okay, but anyway, I'm going to mute myself. I'll see you guys in a bit. like I said, just wanted to chime back in. At certain points, when there's big areas, it becomes very CPU intensive, but for the most part, it handles it quite well. Obviously, I have no idea what the heck's going on, but I just wanted to put that out there. Well, what the heck am I? Whoa, guys, you're giving me way too much credit here. What are we doing? I don't know what we're doing. I'm obviously supposed to keep a track going somewhere, but I wasn't even paying attention to where it started, to be honest with you. Very intricate with puzzles right off the bat. I gotta tell you right off the bat, Scorn doesn't seem like it'll be for me. It definitely doesn't seem like it's my type of game, nonetheless. I just wanted to show you guys the benchmarks on this. I'm sure you guys want to see how this will run on integrated graphics. That's kind of what my channel is about. It's not me about really playing the games. It's just showing you guys how they run. And this is Unreal Engine 4, so we're going to have a lot of fun with this one. Okay, so we need to build tracks, basically. I didn't even realize we couldn't actually walk anywhere else. That's interesting. I thought we could. But that can go up too. Yeah, so it's very puzzle build. Like I said, we're not in for the puzzles. We're not in for the long haul here. For me trying to figure out puzzles is pointless in a benchmark. But I'll see you guys next time. And stay tuned for when I test it on all of my integrated graphics setups. That's the one I'm interested in. This one ran fine. Like this one, it's just the CPU. It has a CPU bottleneck. Optimization is not the best. I will definitely tell you that optimization is not the best in certain areas, especially when you go into big areas. Optimization is terrible. But other than that, it runs fine. I'll see you guys next time.